Luna made this.
Now lately I've been sitting back, but I'm hearing they dissing my dead in they tracks. Like lately I've been sitting back, but I'm hearing they dissing my dead in they tracks. Like lately I've been sitting back, but I'm hearing they dissing my dead in they. Like lately I've been sitting back, but I'm hearing they dissing my dead in they tracks. If I catch one, I'm bending it back in your kush. Fly with some shit that's attached. I don't never shoot back, I was taught to shoot first and don't stop till I empty the mag. They be type of real tough on the net, but in person they quick on they feet and run fast. Bet you niggas ain't quick enough. Got some shit that got kicky, these bullets is big as fuck. I ride with this biggie tuck. If they clicking, that bitch was so loud with their neighbors up. Niggas know not to play with us. Try to spin out that V if you want, we gon' flame it up. Niggas know not to play with us. Try to spin out that V if you want, we gon'. I used to be down, but I'm up. I came from nothing on me, really came from the bottom. But linked to the Gucci, the Prada. Any designer you mention, I swear that I got it. If I turbo, then get him, he got him. No questions, he's shooting that bitch from long range with no problem. I call this a drilling designer. I left with some blood on my shoes, bitch, stack on this ride. This drop, bitch, him up. My Udo go dumb if I want, bitch, you touch. I'm Biggie BK, we shoot everything. I want everything dead if they jack him and such. My chase go kip on his casa. Lil' Bron, his motto, what's up with that rah-rah? You can get turned into Zaza. If that blood black as shit, he get turned into Baba. Like, broski, chase him. He try run, bro, get that nigga. Broad day on a pillar, bro, lift that nigga. He gon' try play that, bro, kick that nigga. I get active, they know what I do. Rock them to sleep, let them think that we cool. I ain't giving no daps, little nigga, you fool. Back up, rush him. Since we them kids, we take trips to go slump him. Headshot, punch him. He try run, little gang, and pluck them back out. Rush him. Since we them kids, we take trips to go slump him. Headshot, punch him. He try run, little gang, and I get active, don't order from deep. I'ma chase you running nowhere. He feeling froggy, I bet he won't leave. Cause he can get stuck in the air. Oh, you tough, okay, running to me. Wait, why is you running from me? Beam on this bitch, ain't no running from these. Now you that bitch, stop mentioning me.
KusshMulla.